In this video, I will teach you how to remove or dispose of your items before you will pay their long-term storage fees by creating a bulk removal order. Long-term storage fees on Amazon incur on the 15th of each month for items that are in Amazon's fulfillment center for over a year. Until further notice, fees are $6.90 per cubic foot or 15 cents per item. Our monthly process includes generating an inventory health report, analyzing it, and then manually reprice, remove, and dispose of unwanted units that are going to be charged with long-term storage fees. That way, we save money on unnecessary fees and also keeping our inventory as lean and efficient as possible. So let me show you how we do it. First, we need to generate an inventory health report, which is a detailed data about your inventory that you cannot see in your Seller Central. This report generates a lot of data, but we will only use specific columns in order to make it easy and simple. Let's generate the report. Go to your Seller Central, hover with your mouse over Reports, Fulfillment. On the left side panel, under Inventory, click on Show More. Click on Inventory Age and then generate a CVS file. Once it's finished generating, just download it and open it. Now we need to clean it up to make it easier to use. Delete all columns besides the SKU, ASIN, product name, condition, to be charged long-term storage fees 12 months, projected long-term storage fees 12 months, and your price. Now add two columns, a remove column and a dispose column. Add the filter feature to the top row. Filter the data by quantity that is going to be charged with fees, anything above 1 unit including. What you need to do now is search each ASIN in your inventory and manually reprice it, and while doing so, check Keepa to estimate if the item will sell until the fees hit on the 15th. If you think it will sell before the fees, or if the item's value is high and you want to keep it and pay the fees, leave the items row empty or mark it with a V. If you don't want to keep it, decide if you want to remove it to your possession or dispose of it. Your item might sell well on other platforms, so before disposing them, check the other platforms. Do this process for all the items on your CVS file. After you are done, you will have a file with items marked for removal, disposal, or with a V. Now, we need to export the list to Amazon's removal order file in order to bulk remove the items. You can find the link for the bulk removal template by searching Amazon's help section or using the link in the description. Go to the removal data definition to make sure you fill the table properly. Go to the template file and to the removal request tab. Write your information in the required fields. Then copy the SKUs that you want to remove from the CVS file and paste them in the removal file under Merchant SKUs. Choose the amount of sellable units you want to remove for each SKU. Unsellable quantity should be all zeros. Export the removal request sheet to a text file and upload it to create the removal. Do that for disposal too. We start this process on the 15th of each month, so we have about a month until the next storage fees hit. We reprice, sell some units, and the units that don't sell, we either remove or dispose of. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you save some money and make your Amazon business a little more efficient. Please check out the description for more information and don't forget to like and subscribe.